I'm gonna use the JaclynHill palette for this look. And the first step, I'm gonna use the creamsicle shadow and apply it all over my crease. I'm just going to keep on building it until I see it's like getting a little bit darker. And then I'm gonna just blend it out with a clean brush, a fluffy brush, just the edges, and then just go over again with the yellow. Then I'm gonna use the shadow Hunts in Roxanne and just apply that under the yellow shadow and just keep going back and forth. Then I use the same brush that I use creamsicle shadow. I don't apply more, I just applied like the leftover, and I just like buff out the edges back and forth. Now I try to darken it with the shadow Burns, it's Buns. And I just put that under those shadows that I just applied and back and forth, and then I just try to buff it out the edges with a clean blending brush. And then I take my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and then I cut my crease with the flat brush. Then I'm gonna start applying the shadow twerk all over where I cut the crease, and I'm just applying it with the brush just so it can be really precise at the outer corners. And then I keep on applying it with my finger, the same shadow twerk, just because with the brush it doesn't get any product, so I just use my finger. And then for my under eyebrow bone, I like using Beam for my highlighter. Then I just applied my eyelashes off camera, but I use dodolashes, and then I put concealer under my eyes just to clean it up on the edge of the shadow. And then that's pretty much it. I did my whole face off camera. I just wanted to keep this video just on the eye look.